Other than just coming and showing up, there's very little that you need to do in order to prepare for receiving an intravenous therapy here at AMT. Perhaps if I'm going to ask anything of you, it's that you are taking care of yourself in between treatments. And by that I mean that you are staying adequately hydrated and resting properly. And hydration really is key. Essentially, it dictates how well your infusion is tolerated, both before, during, and after treatments. Somehow we get this notion in our minds that because we're fundamentally receiving liquids directly into our veins, that we don't need to hydrate, and that it's not so important to do so while we're actually receiving treatments or after. Without going into a long lecture in fluid dynamics, many of the different types of therapies we offer here at AMT are actually by their nature dehydrating, and so it's fundamentally very important that you stay very, very well hydrated. Not only for your safety and for you to tolerate the treatments very well, but also because by staying adequately hydrated, it increases the likelihood by which we're able to access your veins at the very first attempt. Believe me, nobody wants to attempt to access your vein more than once, and staying adequately hydrated guarantees that you're able to do so. Additionally, logistics aside, whenever you come in for an appointment for intravenous therapies or hyperbarics or any of the other procedures we offer here at Advanced Medical Therapies, this is your time to let us know how you're doing, to ask questions, to challenge us on the types of treatments that you are receiving. Fundamentally, AMT operates a little differently than other clinics, where in other clinics you may see a physician and they give you a treatment plan which you follow absolutely to a T for the next 4 to 6 weeks. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and then you reevaluate. Well, here, you are generally seeing a physician and then carrying out certain types of treatments, because the way we operate usually includes a variety of different procedures. As such, you're here numerous times, hopefully, in between those visits with the physician, and you're able to tell us how things are going. Let us know if something isn't working, or if things are working very well. We can either tap the brake on the therapy, or for that matter, intensify things, maybe change things. That's being realistic. That is how healing fundamentally operates and works. We need to fine-tune things and tweak things as we're going along, rather than hoping that something works, and then only then finding out 6 weeks later that we're going down the wrong trajectory. So bring your questions. Everybody here at AMT, whether that's the physicians or the staff here, are kept abreast of the details of your particular case. So we know what's going on, and we know what you're taking. So we want to know, how's that doing? Not only for your sake, but because there may be other people who are going through what you're going. And it's helpful for us to know that information, by which we can help other people and help you better.